You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab 48, Updating an Incident Ticket for Problem Management. To perform this lab, we need to log in as Bill Walsh. So I am already logged in as Bill Walsh. This is home.atlassian. We'll click on Jira Service Management. And under Spaces, we are going to click on NetSoft IT Management. We are going to click on All Open and we'll look for the one created by Brian Tracy, unable to access. Click on this. This one is NIA 9. Okay, now we'll click on Assign to Me. And then we are going to reply customer. So under activity, click on reply to customer, acknowledge, click on save. Under details, we are going to update priority to high. Urgency, which is currently urgency and impact are showing as none, we will give urgency as high and impact as significant or large. Now, let's move ahead and perform next task of this request, of this lab. To perform next task, we need to log in as Brian Tracy. So now let's log in as Brian Tracy. I already have a session open as Brian Tracy in an incognito window. This is Brian Tracy. Now, we'll click on top left corner next to home. Click on this 4 box icon or square icon. Click on Jira Service Management. In Help Center portal, click on the top right corner, profile, and click on request. Here you have a request. Click on this and you have agents or technical support teams comment, which is Bill Walsh, that acknowledge the issue. They are going to work on it. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.